When it comes to enhancing your home's safety and accessibility, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is door replacement. Your doors serve as both the first line of defense against potential intruders and an essential component of your home's accessibility. In Austin, where homes are subject to various weather conditions and the increasing demand for energy efficiency, upgrading to new, high-quality doors offers significant benefits beyond just aesthetics. Whether you're looking to improve security, make your home more accessible, or enhance its overall functionality, door replacement is a smart choice. Here's how door replacement in Austin can improve home safety and accessibility for you and your family. Improved security features. Your doors are your home's first line of defense against burglars and intruders. A strong, secure door not only deters unwanted guests but also provides peace of mind, knowing that your home is well protected. If your current doors are old, warped, or poorly fitted, they may not provide the level of security your home needs. Stronger materials. New doors, particularly steel or fiberglass doors, offer superior security over traditional wood doors. These materials are more resistant to break-ins and can withstand force better than older models. Steel doors are especially durable and offer a high level of protection against intrusion. Enhanced locking systems. A new door can come equipped with high-quality multi-point locking systems. These locking systems secure the door at several points along the frame, making it much harder to force open compared to a traditional single lock mechanism. Upgrading to a smart lock can also provide added security by allowing you to control access remotely via your smartphone. Impact resistance. In areas like Austin, where storms can occasionally cause damage, impact-resistant doors are an excellent choice for door replacement. These doors can withstand high winds, debris, and other weather-related threats, protecting both your home and your family. With door replacement, you can be confident that your home is safer and more secure, offering your family enhanced protection. Enhanced accessibility for everyone. As we age or accommodate individuals with mobility challenges, making sure our homes are accessible becomes more important. Installing new doors as part of a door replacement project can significantly enhance the accessibility of your home, making it easier for everyone to move through. Wider doorways. One of the key features of accessible doors is wider openings, allowing for easier passage for individuals using wheelchairs, walkers, or strollers. If you live in an area where you plan to stay long-term or anticipate family members or guests who may have mobility issues, wider doors are a practical solution. Threshold-free entry. Some doors come with low or no thresholds, which is a major benefit for anyone using a wheelchair or walker. By eliminating raised thresholds, you create a smooth transition from the outside to the inside of your home, which reduces the risk of tripping and makes moving in and out much easier. Lever handles. Lever handles are a practical alternative to traditional round doorknobs, which can be difficult for individuals with arthritis or limited hand strength to operate. A lever handle is easier to grasp and requires less force to open, improving overall accessibility. Upgrading your doors with accessible features ensures that your home remains comfortable and usable for everyone, regardless of physical ability. Energy efficiency and comfort. While security and accessibility are key benefits, door replacement can also improve your home's energy efficiency. In Austin's fluctuating climate, where summer heat and winter cold can both be extremes, energy-efficient doors are essential for maintaining indoor comfort while keeping energy bills in check. Insulated doors. New doors come with insulation that can reduce heat loss in the winter and block excessive heat in the summer. Energy-efficient doors, especially those with foam core insulation or low-E glass, help regulate indoor temperatures and minimize drafts. This results in a more comfortable home environment without constantly relying on air conditioning or heating. Tight seals and weatherproofing. Properly installed weather stripping and sealing prevent air leakage, ensuring that your home stays more consistent in temperature. A tightly sealed door also keeps out dust, dirt, and moisture, contributing to better indoor air quality. In addition to improving your home's comfort, energy-efficient doors help reduce your heating and cooling costs, making them a smart long-term investment for both safety and sustainability. Aesthetic appeal and home value. Beyond safety and accessibility, door replacement in Austin can also enhance your home's curb appeal, increasing its market value and making it a more attractive place to live. Stylish designs. Whether you choose a classic wooden door, a modern steel model, or an elegant fiberglass design, a new door immediately updates the look of your home. A fresh, stylish front door can become a focal point that boosts your home's overall aesthetic. Increased home value. A well-chosen, high-quality door replacement can improve your home's marketability, which is especially important if you plan to sell. Buyers are often drawn to homes that have updated features, and a beautiful, secure door can make a strong first impression. Conclusion. Door replacement in Austin is more than just an aesthetic upgrade. It's an investment in your home's security, accessibility, comfort, and energy efficiency. Whether you're improving safety with high-quality materials, enhancing accessibility with wider doorways and lever handles, or ensuring that your home remains energy efficient, a new door makes a significant difference. By choosing professional door installation, you can enjoy peace of mind, a more accessible home, and increased value, all while making your home more welcoming and functional for years to come.